Good morning.
Good morning.
What is the date?
Monday, May 24th, 2021.
What is the time?
Current time is 8:20 a.m.
What is the meaning of ocean?
Here's the definition of ocean. The mass of water
Change your voice.
Hello sir, I have changed my voice. How may I help you?
Translate a word.
What do you want to translate?
Hello.
Which language to translate?
French.
In French you would say, bonjour.
What is the weather forecast?
Currently in Socarpet, it's 31 degrees, with a fog.
Tell me the COVID statistics.
Here are the statistics.
Prevention for COVID.
Here are the sum of preventions from COVID-19.
What is the log of 4?
Result is 0.6.
What is the hexadecimal of 4?
Result is 4.
Who is Jeff Bezos?
Jeffrey Preston Bezos, Andy Jorgensen, Amazon.
Set a timer for 10 seconds.
Okay, timer started.
Show me the system info.
Here is your system information.
Battery.
Your system is currently on charging mode and it's 86% done.
Take a screenshot.
Screenshot taken.
Click a photo.
Sure. Do you want to view your clicked photo?
Yes, show it to me.
Okay, here you go.
Minimize window. Open Geeks for Geeks. Open Avengers trailer on YouTube.
Here a video for you. Enjoy, sir.
Minimize the window. Create a list.
What do you want to add?
Butter.
Alright, I added to your list.
Show the list.
You have 1 items in your list.
Tell me the latest news.
Getting the latest news. Do you want to read the full news?
Yes, I want to read the full news. Tell me the direction.
What is your starting location?
Mumbai.
Okay, sir. Where you want to go?
Bangalore. Minimize window. Open Word. Type hello. Delete. Close window. Don't save. Create HTML project.
What do you want to give the project name?
Hello World.
Successfully created Hello World project.
Switch window. Switch window. Increase the volume. Play a game.
Well done.
Send a WhatsApp message.
What is the message?
Hi. Minimize windows.